So you're probably going, really? You know, you're complaining about eating a yogurt or a nutritional shake that has dairy in it, or eating eggs and toast. Like, who says that's not good for you, right? I know it sounds ridiculous, but I'm sharing this because it is ridiculous. Like, what I have to go through. Then I'm 45 years old. It's a struggle. It's not easy. You know, I'm getting a little pooch because I haven't been working out, and I've been eating carbs and eating like crap, which is normal for most people. I'm really not eating terrible, but in order for me to get my flat stomach back, this is the ridiculous stuff that I put myself through. And that's my point to this video. These videos, it's ridiculous what I put myself through to stay thin and to stay 95 pounds. It's not easy. Like, what I go through to have great hair, or to have my skin look flawless on camera or on videos and pictures. It's not easy. I don't just roll out of bed looking pretty and healthy. It's truly a lot of maintenance and struggles and ridiculousness. And so, yeah, it is ridiculous. Having the yogurt this morning and the nutritional shake, that usually I like the vegan shakes. But I was getting so tired of the taste of those vegan shakes. I wanted something, decided to have this with dairy in it. I haven't had dairy. I don't usually have cream cheese in the house and milk. My parents were here, that's why. It's my excuse. My mom's boyfriend likes to drink milk, and they like to eat eggs, but that's not something I usually have in the house. I don't usually have bread, or when I was on a really strict diet, I wouldn't have anything that I am not supposed to eat on my strict diet in the house. Now I have a bunch of food in my house that I don't usually eat, so that would be the first step, is to get rid of that. And only cheat. I only used to cheat when I used to go out to eat, which the last 8 years working on the road, doing trade shows and conventions and traveling for work, was really hard. So I haven't been on a strict diet for like 8 years now. So it's time, you know, now that I'm back in the entertainment, or trying to get back in the entertainment industry, it's time for me. And I'm getting older, so it's harder to keep my physique. And so I gotta be more strict